Here we have the 2015 Power Bend Falcon 3100 135. This is a 150-ton, 10-foot, 4-axis press brake plus CNC crowning. This machine features the Delem ER70 2D graphical control CNC. It also features ram-mounted ACAS laser safety curtains. Just look at the 12mm below the punch tip. Ensure that there's no finger, no caliper, no angle gauge in the way that could hurt an operator or damage the machine. It features CNC wedge type crowning to match the bed deflection to the ram deflection. Gives you an even 90-degree bed across the whole bed length. We've got dual-sided Heidenhain linear scales that are accurate to 2/10,000ths of an inch, and the ram itself is repeatable to 4/10,000ths. This machine features a 2-axis back gauge, 31.5 inches on the x-axis in and out, 9.8 inches on the up and down, and it's got rear safety curtains as well so that nobody can get into the gauge during operation. If you trip that, the light goes off, then you got to reset it before you go back into operation. So we're in a program here. We'll show you the massive open height. The massive open height, again, you got to hit the test button. 20.7 inches of open, 10.8 inches of stroke. See the X and R axis back gauge moving in there. We've got a little bit of a bottoming bend programmed into this. This machine has 15 ProMecam style clamps that'll hold American or European punches. Punch, a 4-way die, and the riser block come with the machine, as well as the 2 front sheet supports, the operator foot pedal control, and that is the 2015 Ermaksan Power Bend Falcon 150-ton 10-foot press brake, available from MacTech.